So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sale sign display on your website through Shopify. So this is my business page, and well, I still have my Labor Day sale announcement up there, but I'm going to show you how I was able to make this sale sign appear on my product, and you know how we can also display your original price and your sale price through Shopify. I searched YouTube to find a way to do this, and I couldn't find it, so that's why I took it upon myself to make this video and show you guys, just in case anyone out there is looking for a way to do it and can't figure it out like I was. So I'm going to go to Shopify right now. You click on your product. So when you're on your product, I usually do like all my pens together because they're all the same price, and then I do all my tops together. If you have multiple items that have same exact price, so what you have to do is select them. So I'm just gonna select all my pens. And you click on where it says bulk edit. This page is gonna load up. You see where it shows the base price. It's showing the base price because that's what I had decided for it to be my sale price. I did 25% off. So you click on column and make sure compare price is checked. You see where it says compare at price, you check that, and now it shows your original price and your sale price. So in this case, since I have already created my sale price here, what I need to do is to revert it because Labor Day sale is over. So if you go on my website, you see it's still showing the sale, even though today is like 2 days past Labor Day sale. But I'm going to show you how to reverse it, and if you're trying to put it, make the sale sign appear, you just do the same thing, just the other direction. So in this case, we're changing our base price to 36, so our sale is over. So we're going all the way down. You highlight and go all the way down. Sorry guys, it's a lot of products, but it should be easier if you have less number of products. So you make sure everything is highlighted, and then you just type 36, and that fixes it. And then you hit save. You can either clear this or not, but since it's the same price, there's really no point of doing that. So you hit check. Let's see, let's wait for it. Sometimes you have to like get out of the whole site and go back in. Let's go back in and see. And there you go. You see the sale sign is gone from the pants. You see it's no longer there. So it's still showing under the shirts because I haven't done that yet. You see what I'm saying, guys? So when you click view all my pants should no longer be on sale. See my pants right here, not on sale. This is the original price, but these are still on sale because I haven't changed them. And my pants no longer on sale, no longer on sale. Same thing here, same here. So now we're gonna go do our shirt. It's pretty much the same way, and let's see. This time around we're gonna select our tops. So the round neck, v-neck, same thing here, guys. And I'm not selecting this because these are separate prices. You can select all of them and do it at the same time, but it's gonna be too much, so I'd rather do it individually, so well, at least the ones that are in the same category. That way I don't I don't mess up and put the wrong value on a product. So we're gonna do this plus the tops. There we go, it's selected, sounds about right. So we're gonna click bulk edit, and see, this is the regular, my old price, and this is the sale price. So like I said, if you're going the other way around, you just come here and you type in your original price on the compare price, and then type in your base price right here. But since we're going backwards pretty much, so you just click on this and drag. Click and drag all the way down here, and you just type in $34.99 and save. Now that we've done it, let's go back. Like I said, you have to get out of the entire website and go back in. So let's X this out and even X this out. Let's do this and then go back to the website. The tops should no longer be on sale, and there we go. See, the sale sign is gone from both product here. And if you want to make sure, click on your view all and make sure that all the shirts are no longer on sale. As you can see, they are no longer on sale. So the ones that are still on sale are my under scrub, which I'm gonna get to in a minute. My under scrub, they're still on sale, because like I said, I do them category by category. So once I do my undershirt, I'm gonna do the sweatshirt, and I'm also gonna do the jacket. So, and if you like this video, and if you like videos like this and would like to see more of how-tos, just leave a comment of what you would like, and if I don't know how to do it, I'm gonna research and make sure I provide you with what you need. Well, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and share button and subscribe. Thank you guys, until next time.